Raghuveer Singh writes in and he says, I have my own house in Jagatpura, Jaipur. I'm in a government job and 1 year ago I've been transferred to Banswara district. I want to invest about 35 lakhs in Jagatpura only for investment. Some brokers have suggested a new project by Unique Builder called Joy. How is this project? Should I go for it? And it should be, the project should be close to my current home, which is in Gopalbari.
Well, definitely Mannat Group is one of the largest developers of of Jaipur, Unique Builders. This project is a recently launched project. Project construction actually is yet to start and completion year is 2017. But if you, this project actually is a very good bet, but it has to have a long-term horizon. 5 to 6 years at least has to be kept in mind for an attractive return. This is about 9 kilometers and 7.5 kilometers from the railway station and the international airport respectively. So a decent location. We've got 2 more recommendations for you, but we'll just look at some of the key data points. 18 months is the inventory overhang of this market, so below the danger zone. 3250 rupees a square foot is the weighted average price over here. 17% annualized appreciation of this market, so it's done exceedingly well on an annualized basis. The other 2 projects that you can consider are Vrinda Gardens by Ashiana Housing. This is available with a developer, JV between Mangalam Group and the reputed, it's a JV with the Mangalam Group as such with Ashiana Housing. It's launched in April last month and construction actually is yet to start. It's a very good location of Malviya Nagar and project is approved by all the top banks as such. The third recommendation is Courtyard by Sand Dune, Jagatpura. This is also available with the developer. It's a residential cum commercial project near Skit campus and it's about 5 kilometers from the Jagatpura railway station. Construction is up to the 3rd floor and is expected to be completed by mid-2015.
All right, so 3 projects just have a long-term investment perspective because Jaipur is not a market which is going to run away and give you huge capital appreciation in a 2 to 3 year period. The 2 projects which we've also got for you along with the go-ahead on your project are Vrinda Gardens by Ashiana Housing and Courtyard by Sand Dune. Top budget properties in Bangalore.